This is the VEVOR foldable monocrystalline 120 watt solar charger. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So they have two really nice hard plastic handles on here for carrying it, and they magnetize together. It's not a super strong magnet, but it's enough to keep it in place, which I really like. On each side, two Velcro stands, and these stands can be adjusted by moving this snap around to wherever you want. I've got it on the second placement right now, and of course they Velcro right back onto there. Nice zipper on this pouch. Inside the pouch, we have the power supply itself, and this has two fast charging QC 3.0 USB ports, a Type-C port, and an 18-volt DC output port, and they've given us about a 5-foot power cable right here, DC power cable. Now, these are monocrystalline solar cells that they say have an energy conversion rate of 23% or better for a 120 watt high efficiency output. They have an IP67 waterproof ETFE surface on them. ETFE is ideal for long-term outdoor use. Obviously, the waterproof rating isn't going to apply to the power pack itself. Not only are the panels IP67 waterproof, but they are built to work in weather conditions from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to about 149 degrees Fahrenheit, with the optimal working temperature being around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the dead of winter here, and I'm kind of limited as to the types of tests I can perform. I don't have a lot of meters, but we'll see what we can do. Let's set this up and see how it works. And here you can see it fully expanded to about 5.5 feet, and obviously the same 22 inches wide. You see definitely no problem at all charging my cell phone. You can see I've got a DC input here on this Flash Fish power supply. Let's see if we charge this up. Yeah, here we go. No problem at all charging that. Let's see if we can test the DC voltage coming out of here. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm not sure exactly how to test these panels, but it looks like it's kicking out about almost 23 volts DC right now on a cold winter day. Charges my Chromebook, no problem. No problem charging a tablet. I think it's great to have a portable and foldable option to charge my various electronic devices using only the power of the sun. A solar charger like this would be great for home use, obviously great to keep in the RV or if you're camping, and it's light enough to carry on a hike. All kinds of uses. Very nice.